Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. As part of Python tutorial, today I'll show you how to install NumPy on your system. Then there is the first question, what is NumPy? NumPy stands for numerical Python. It's a Python library. So NumPy used for working with array. So in order to use NumPy, you need to have installed Python on your system. Those who are new in Python and need to know how to install Python, I have a separate video for that in my channel. You can watch from there. So let's go to the computer screen. I'll show you a step-by-step process how to install NumPy. Hello viewer, now I am at computer screen. First thing we need to check that NumPy already installed or not in our system. So in order to do that, first we need to open your command prompts. In the command prompt, just write the command pip show numpy, then hit enter from keyboard. You see warning package not found numpy. Also another way you can check numpy install or not. So open PyCharm IDE, create a class. For that, right click, new file. Let's say test numpy.py. Then hit enter from keyboard. Here you can write import numpy as np. You see, once I try to import numpy, it is showing the red mark. That means numpy is not installed. So then we need to install first. So command is here in the command prompt, you need to write your command pip install numpy. Then hit enter from keyboard. It will enter the NumPy package. So I told you in order to install NumPy, you need to have Python install on your system. If Python install, it will comes with a pip so that you can install any package for any library for Python. So NumPy is one of library that is installing now. Installing collected package NumPy. So it will take little bit time, not that much. So those who doesn't have installed Python on your system, I have a separate video for that. You can watch from there. You see, successfully installed NumPy 2.3.2. Now let me clear that screen. Then again we need to pip show NumPy. Hit enter. It will give you the NumPy version and all other thing. So right now, as it is installed, we are not getting that error message. You see the NumPy version 2.3.2. Now again we can open the PyCharm IDE. You see the error is gone. Once error is gone, you can do another thing, print np dot underscore version. And then if you run this one, let's say run this one, you will see 2.3.2. That means NumPy installed successfully. We'll write a simple command for that. Let's say we are declaring a variable AR means array equal to np dot array one comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. So now if we print out this array, print AR. That means whatever variable we declare. Let's see how it goes. Run it. It's a simple NumPy check. So we'll do the step-by-step tutorial for the later tutorial. whole NumPy. This is just for installation and checking purpose. That's all for today's tutorial. I believe those who are new in Python as well as NumPy, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.